Eat right, live right body detox diet. Modern-day society offers us almost anything we could ever want, but also includes what we don't really need, toxins and pollutants. These could come from the air, food, soil, and water and build up on our body over time, causing stress among our organs. These toxins that accumulate in the body can cause potential damages that result to health problems and life-threatening diseases. In highly developed countries where diets revolve around processed foods, low fiber and high fat, there is a prevalence of degenerative diseases like obesity, high blood pressure, cancer, heart diseases, among others, which are rare in countries where vegetables and whole grains are staples. A body detox diet is purging the body of toxins by changing to a diet free of stimulants that could pose problems in digestion and reduce the body's ability to eliminate wastes. It works by boosting the body through organic chemical compounds it needs like nutrients and antioxidants. Benefits of a body detox diet. A body detox diet program lessens your intake of toxins that come with artificially prepared and processed foods simply by avoiding them and, instead, consuming high-fiber, energy-releasing, organic substances. In return, you will feel invigorated, return of stamina, enhanced mental alertness, healthier skin, stronger immune system, an improved digestion, and an overall holistic feeling. A body detox diet usually is confined in high fiber and ample amount of water consumption. Normally, people who undergo body detox diet eat anything under the category of fruits and vegetables or any other organic foods where important nutrients can be derived from nutrients and fiber that is most usually missing in takeouts and junk foods. It may include broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, nuts, seeds, as well as natural oils like olive or coconut virgin oil also enhance the body detox diet. Before starting on a body detox diet, it's important to have a full health examination by a doctor to determine whether you are fit to undergo this type of diet. Remember that fish, meats, and dairy products are commonly skipped when you are in a body detox diet. When it's over, depending on how long your body detox diet was, you may find yourself craving for some of your favorite junk food. Although you are allowed to go back to a less stringent, it helps to maintain a framework of eating a balanced diet in order to be healthy than treat a body detox diet as a temporary cure.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.